Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best solar generators for RV on Amazon. Solar generators for RVs harness sunlight to generate clean, portable power, offering self-sufficiency and eco-friendly energy while on the go. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Jackery Portable 1002WH Solar Generator. A great solar generator for RVs would have to be this model from Jackery. It comes with an impressive design featuring a 1002 WH capacity. This feature and its 1000 W rating shouldn't have any issues powering devices like space heaters, fans, fridges, and much more. These aspects will allow a rig owner to power more AC devices than most other models available. Honestly, you'd have a hard time finding a more capable model. You should love this product's ability to produce no noise when operating, as well. This issue is a massive problem with gas generators and one of the main reasons people prefer solar power. Plus, it doesn't cause pollution and produces clean, safe energy. This product can power blenders, smokers, ice shavers, and TVs to make camping more enjoyable. Number 2. BALDR Portable Solar Generator Power Station. This portable solar generator power station is a rather impressive option for anyone who isn't looking to spend a large amount of money. After all, it manages to balance an affordable price with many outstanding features. One example would have to be its charging versatility. Users can charge 9 different devices using this portable power station for RV. This ability comes from its various outlets, including an AC outlet, a cigarette lighter, and 3 USB plugs. As a result, I can power a long list of devices using this generator for off-grid living. I even tested this solar RV battery generator out on my camper's battery without any trouble. It worked perfectly to ensure the battery ran and functioned correctly during my trip. BALDR equipped this product with a BMS system with 7 safety measures to maintain user safety. Number 3. Bluetie Portable Power Station. Dry camping has never been easier than with Bluetie's portable power station. It's more than capable of being effective with its various striking features within this situation. In other words, it had no issues handling all my devices and needs during my dry camping trip. Buyers can attribute this effectiveness to its 2000 WH capacity and 2000 W inverter. It wasn't shocking to see so much praise for its overall abilities from fellow dry campers. For instance, it comes with 17 versatile outlets, including 6 AC ports, 2 wireless charging pads, and a 12V25 ADC port. It's much more well-equipped than most portable or mini solar generators. The product's recharging rate was another massive highlight for me. I can fully recharge this power station in 2.5 hours, which is better than most other options. It's another area where this Bluetie separates itself from its competitors. Number 4. Maxoak Portable RV Solar Inverter Generator. This portable RV solar inverter generator picks up right where the other model on this list left off with its own set of great features. One of them happens to be its high-load continuous 1000 W inverter, which makes it ideal for the RVing lifestyle. This aspect ensures the product can work on most devices under 1000 W, such as TVs, fridges, drones, CPAP machines, phones, and tablets. Its 8 outputs make for a convincing argument, too, based on its increased level of convenience. This aspect will help prevent any issues from occurring like overvoltage, short circuits, and other problems. It's an essential feature to ensure no malfunctions happen with the device. As with our prior Maxoak's product, this device comes with its MC4 solar charging cable. This addition makes charging via solar panels a much easier process. It's worth noting that this model doesn't come with a solar panel. Number 5. Nature's Generator Solar Generator. Campers wanting a solar generator for off-grid living need to consider this model. It comes with a 60Ah battery and a 1800 W inverter. These features combine to offer an impressive 720 Wh of output on a singular charge. As a result, campers will easily have enough energy to power and charge their appliances. You also have to love that this device comes with an included 100W power panel. It even has wheels within its design for easy transport. Buyers will get a 50 feet power panel cable with purchase as well. This inclusion makes connecting the generator to the solar power panel a breeze. Given these features, it doesn't get much more convenient for off-the-grid living than with this generator model. The product's included SmartKey dongle is another eye-catching trait. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.